How to make a seafood soup. You'll need a variety of seafood such as shrimp, clams, mussels, and/or fish fillets, along with aromatics like onions, garlic, celery, and carrots. Additionally, gather canned diced tomatoes, seafood or vegetable broth, herbs such as thyme, parsley, and bay leaves, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and paprika. If using raw seafood, clean and Devon shrimp, scrub clams and mussels, and cut fish fillets into bite-sized pieces. If using pre-cooked seafood, set aside. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onions, garlic, celery, and carrots, and sauté until softened and fragrant. Pour in canned diced tomatoes with juices and seafood or vegetable broth. Bring to a simmer. Add the prepared seafood to the pot along with herbs and seasonings. Adjust seasoning to taste. Allow the soup to simmer gently until the seafood is cooked through and the flavors meld together, usually around 10-15 minutes. Ladle the seafood soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Serve hot with crusty bread or crackers on the side. Dive into your delicious homemade seafood soup, savoring the rich flavors of the ocean and aromatic vegetables.